Will he come out? Is he coming out? Mahindra?
Hey. Mahindra!
Hi. How are you?
Hey.
Namaste. Good time to come in?
Yeah, you are welcome.
Hey, let's go. Thank you.
I open the gate myself and welcome you.
No. Ask with your permission, please.
Nepali way. Let's wait.
Okay, Nepali way. All right. Thank you. He's gonna open.
We started something interesting for you.
Yes.
Welcome our guest by.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much, Mahindra.
Thank you.
Hola, yo me llamo Paco y soy de la India. I've traveled to 232 cities in 23 countries. And now you can join me on my journey and travel with me.
Ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Carry your masks and let's go for rafting today with Paddle Nepal. Our appointment is at 9:15 AM and this is the first rafting trip of 2021. Paco de la India and Leopold. Leogred. Good morning. Hi. So here we are with the team of the Paddle Nepal. We are going rafting right now. So this is Jeevan here.
Yo.
This is Ravi. Sondai. Yeah. Obviously Minda here. And Kalu there. Alright. And this is our favorite sandwich place we always have right opposite Paddle Nepal. So really excited. We're gonna put on our masks. So maintaining social distance. We are here with the Paddle Nepal office right here in the Times Square of Pokhara. This is where everything happens. And from here our jeeps are loaded. Yes. We're gonna head out into the upper Seti river. Let's do this. Come guys.
Okay.
Right, come on. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Man, I'm really excited. So since the river levels are really low here because of the winter season, we're gonna starting from a little bit down. Generally it starts from another 5 kilometers up there. Alright, so we are all padded up, got this wind shield, got a wetsuit, got some shoes, our cameras, life jackets, and our paddles from Paddle Nepal. So we are all ready to go.
First of all, everybody have one of these. This one called paddle. So our paddle have a 3 part. This one called T-piece and blade, sharp point called the paddle. Okay. One hand always cover the T-piece right here. So one hand able to blade. Always hold this hand. Okay. Sometimes people really panic. Okay, help. If you say like that, definitely I'll throw. Okay.
I'll sit. Oh, there's water already in my shoes. Namaste. Good luck, bro.
When I give command, same time. Each other, make same rhythm. Okay?
Nice.
Ready?
Let's go.
Forward, guys. One. Come on, guys. One. Go.
Aye. Whoa! Stop! Wow! Power! Like paddle! Oh! Shit! Back pedal! Back pedal! Okay, good. Ah! Get up! Wow! Shit! Shit! You're back, you're back! Stop! Whoa! 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 Ah! Jesus! Lord! Wow! Whoa! Let's go! Stop!
Wow! Thanks to Neemdai, we are invited for this delicious dal bath with tarkari and some pork. So thank you so much for inviting us for this wonderful lunch and for this wonderful experience. Thank you.
Welcome.
Kalgai, Ravidai. And I want to say it. I paddle Nepal. Woo! Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Namaste everybody.
Thank you so
Bye,
much,
guys. God
Sam.
bless. Happy New Year. All success this year. See you. Bye. Bye guys.
Bye.
Ciao. Yes! We did it, man. Is he coming now? Mahindra?
Mahindra!
How are you? Namaste. Good time to come in?
You are welcome.
Hey, let's go. Thank you.
I open the gate myself and welcome you.
No, as with your permission, please.
Nepali way, let's wait.
Okay, Nepali way. All right. Thank you. He's gonna open.
We started something interesting for you, know?
Yes.
We welcome our guest by.
Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste, thank you so much, Mahindra.
Thank you.
We're walking on there.
Let's go.
Wow, the octagon house.
Have a seat.
Thank you. Wow. We were just heading out to make the last clip of the day before we head back. I'm catching my bus tonight.
Tonight,
Yeah, so and we thank you so much for inviting us here.
Oh, you are most welcome.
Thank you. How have you been? Good day?
Yeah, good day.
Yeah. Can you show us a little bit inside?
Sure.
Yes.
If you don't mind, can you please take off your shoes?
Sure,
Yes,
we will.
Take off custom, okay?
Yes.
These shoes are yours.
Possible.
Okay, we go ahead. It's very simple, very
Very
clean.
simple and clean.
Okay.
And he has cameras.
Yeah.
He sees us.
Yeah.
He sees us coming. He sees us coming.
stayed this long time before, you know. Take tea with me and he comes up and
The color is white, pink, she's perfect. It's so funny. Pink.
my room is very nice. Paradise here. Private room. Yeah, when I designed this house, I designed this room for my home.
And then you shifted to that room.
This is my store room, you know, for the working store room I made.
Wow. So let's check this out. We were always for the last 10 days there.
Yeah.
Behind that gate. And now we are here on the top. So thank you. Thank you.
So I'm sorry that I didn't made you welcome that day inside, so that if you had felt this 10 days before, maybe you may have felt even better. But something is that you may have felt even better because you didn't come 10 days before. You are coming now and you'll feel it more interesting.
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, it's feeling more nice. He did it. He created the curiosity. So thank you. Thank you, Leo. Please stay. Ting ting. Bus time, cheesecake, Pokhara walk, 4:30 p.m. Juicery, goodbye. Find Souza, give GoPro. Wow, what a week. In fact, 10 crazy days here in Pokhara and it was just magical. Thanks to everyone who just came out with their hearts open and we got to enjoy right from there to the lake to your hearts now. So enjoy Pokhara, the adventure capital of Nepal.